softly to the youth.
This now open ancient door, like we never knew before. Every drop of sound so wise, reflect deep within the eyes.
Babylon tried to steal the flame, but we never play that game. Roots connection hold us tight, guided by eternal light.
Through the echo we can see what we were and what we be. Past and future intertwined in the rhythm so divine.
No illusion can remain
When we break the mental chain, pure vibration fill the soul, making broken pieces whole. Ba 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 ba. John name in every breath, stronger far than fear or death. Chant it low and chant it high, let the truth forever fly. Speak a pulse like heartbeats strong,
carrying the rebel song.
from the gate to every land.
Truth is written in the sand, even when the sound grows dim.
Still the fire burns within,
Zion Gate is always near.
for the ones who truly hear.
Echoes never fade away,
They just guide another way.
roots stand up forever true, living deep inside of you.
Oh, yo, yo, yo. Ba, 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 ba. Whoa, yeah, nah, nah. Whoa, yeah, nah, nah, nah. Close your eyes and drift away. Let the rhythm lead the way. Sacred bass begins to flow through the places we don't know. The voice echoes soft and wide, in a universal rhyme. Judge a voice without a word, still in every note is heard, guiding gently through the night to a place of endless light. Let the echo cleanse the mind, leave the heavy past behind. In the rhythm we are free, just like wind across the sea. No more chains to hold you tight, only love and only light. The meditation take control, heal the body, heal the soul. When you open up your eyes, see the world without disguise. Everything is clear and true, life is flowing through you. Sacred base will always stay, even when it fades away. Roots and up forever blessed, beginning without an end. Walking through the desert sand, guided by an unseen hand. This light echoed through the night, leading souls toward the light. Every step a story told of the brave and of the bold. Noble winds across the land, writing truth we understand. Exodus from fear and pain,
parts of history to a new reality. Roots connection holds us tight, even in the longest night. Jah Jah guide the chosen few on a path forever true. No more lies to cloud the sight. We can see within the light. The vibration cleans the soul, make the broken spirit whole. In the silence, truth is loud, standing strong among the crowd. Freedom lives within the thought. Oh, you were never on your own. When the journey reached the end, we begin again, my friend. Yeah.
Beyonce,
The ancestral,
the ancestral echo.
the ancestral echo.
The ancestral speak to the doublet spin. This your ancestral door, make we always win. Jah wisdom echo from the root to the crown. Roots reggae rise, turn the world around. No more forget the past, the elders are guide. Babylon the race is try, but we not abide. Herb connect with to the lineage strong. Rasta memory lips sing the freedom song.
Ancestral echo. Ancestral echo.
Make the past alive, make the future bright. No more lost identity, claim the birthright.
One blood, one root in the pure light. Ancestral echo.
Oh, and are the forefathers and are the mothers too. Live the tradition, make it new for you. Pass the torch of knowledge, never let it fade. In this your liberty, we are the upgrade. Yes, we select to make the rhythm echo, echo. Make the sound travel back through time we keep. Ganja are the bridge to the spirit realm. Rasta man I call, ancestors at the helm. Echo on, echo on. I returns.
Ancestral echo. Ancestral
floating on a cosmic wave, past the limits we once gave. Baseline travel through the stars, healing all invisible scars. Dubwise echoes spin around in a never-ending sound. Universe begin to breathe as we learn to just release. Frequency align the soul, making shattered pieces whole. Every tone a beam of light, guiding through eternal night. Babylon fading to dust when we learn the truth and trust. Nothing real can be destroyed. In this space we fill the void. Stars reflect within the mind, showing what we left behind. No more fear and no more doubt, only truth is moving out. Reverb stretch across the sky like a never-ending cry, calling all to recognize the power hidden in our lives. Dub connection pure and deep, guiding dreams while we sleep. In the silence we receive everything we dare conceive. Jam presence in the flow, in the things we do not know. Still it guides us everywhere, even when we lose the way. Cosmic love will never end, circle turning once again. From the stars back to the ground, life is moving through the sound. We rock and stand through the hurricane blow. This year stand strong though, let the whole world know. Jah foundation first, never shake or sway. Roots reggae anchor, show we the way. When the wind a howl and the flood arise, Babylon skin colors before we eyes. Herb a root we deep, make we trunk stay thick. Rasta spirit solid, no more fragile brick. Stand strong though, let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight. No more bow the head to the system hate. One solid stand still, the righteous faith. Stand strong though. make the soul uplift, teach the youth fi hold when the pressure pays. In a this ya reggae sound we pass the bass. Yeah, yes me selector make the rhythm a stand like stone, make the echo thunder reach the youth them alone. Ganja fortify the will, keep it all and true. Rasta man a roast and strong, me brethren break through.
Hold the line, hold the line.
Irie fortress,
Stand strong though.
let the lion chest swell, the backbone straight.
No more body head to the system, hey.
One solid stands till the righteous fade.
Stand strong though.
Ja, Rastafari.
Stand strong.
One love, one foundation, forever. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la la la. Oh. Inside the temple made of sound, where no walls can hold it down. Bassline hum like sacred chant. Life is more than what we want. Every echo in the space, with a slow and timeless grace. Dub-wise whispers calm and deep, wake the soul from restless sleep. Footsteps fade into the groove, every motion starts to move. There is more than meets the eye, truth no system can deny. Babylon dissolve away when the righteous start to play. In the temple we are free, boundless as eternity. money. Ooh, la la la. Oh, when you leave this sacred place, still you carry inner grace. Temple lives within your mind, always present, always kind. Roots and earth forever stay, even when they fade away. In the silence you will find peace that lives inside. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Signal rise from the underground, ancient pulse within the sound. Baseline traveled far and wide, like a truth we cannot hide. Through the wires and through the air, Jaja presence everywhere. Dub wise echo bending time, speaking truth without a rhyme. From the site to satellite, we transmit the righteous light. No corruption in the code, only truth within the load. Babylon try block the way, but the signal always play. Through the static, through the noise, we uplift the humble voice. Artists sing with every drop, feel the system never stop. Roots vibration in the chest, put the weary soul to rest. Echo bounce from wall to wall, answering the ancient call. In the rhythm we align, body, spirit, soul and mind. No illusion can remain when we break the mental silent skies. Bassline thunder rolls so deep. Wake the ones who still asleep. Dubwise echo twist and turn. In the fire we all must learn. Truth is not a thing to buy. It's a flame that never dies. Step by step we climb the heights, guided by Jaja light. No more fear to hold us down. We know where the wicked crown. Babylon system lose control. When the rhythm free the soul, every beat a revolution. Sound becomes the evolution. Dun, 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 dun. Smoke of wisdom fill the air. Voices chanting everywhere. From the ghettos to the hills. Truth is stronger than the pill. Reverb carry every cry. Lift it up into the sky. In the dub we find a way. Through the darkness into day. Lion heart we never fold. Even when the nights are cold. Roots foundation keep us strong. In the power of the song. Dub ascension take us far. Past the mind, beyond the star. Every echo break the chain. Wash away the hidden pain. Beyond all time, oh yeah, the star a shine. The star a shine. The star a shine. The star a shine. just like a light through the wilderness. Roots people follow to the happiness. Babylon are confused with them flashing lights, but the true star a call us through the night. Herb clarify the vision, sharpening up the sight. Rastafari strictly what is pure and right. Guiding star, lead we through the storm, lead we through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, wanderlust like sheep without shepherd. Just star up on the way, make we all feel glad. Build the future bright with love and with respect. In this year, live it, we never regret. Yes, me select and make the rhythm follow the star. Make the echo travel far, touch every show. Ganja at the compass point, we do not trust. Rasta man a sing, follow the guiding torch. Forward, forward, hiring navigation. Guiding star, lead way through the storm, lead way through the sea. Show the righteous path to the land of free. One direction forward, full of dignity. Guiding star, Rastafari. Guiding star, one love, one direction, forever, eternal flame. Did the flame up burn? 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 Never go out. This your eternal dub, full of cloud. Your fire a glowing a every vein. Roots reggae can break every chain. The mountain top, the path that's clear. This a higher ground, drawing near. Jah breath a blow through the ancient trees. Rootical, set the spirit free. See the lights are blind, but we not lose the sight. Babylon a sink, we a climb to the height. Every step we take, faith a guide defeat. Rasta live it is strong, victory sweet. Higher ground. Higher ground. Whoa. Rise above the star, make the eagle fly. No more vibration Rasta.